All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to create webhooks on Discord and how to kind of preview using them, even if you don't have a bot or some type of other application to really make full use of them. So essentially, if you look at my bot commands channel that I have open here, a webhook is just a little URL that bots and applications can use in order to send messages back and forth from a Discord channel. And when you manually create a webhook, you're creating a little URL to communicate with a very specific channel with a very specific reason in mind. In this case, all you have to do to create one, and you can kind of see the other types of messages that other bots send here. They can have different styles. They can have these little embed boxes, all that kind of good stuff is yours to play around with. And I actually have a website here in the background that you can mess around with that here in a minute. But what you can do is you can just highlight any old channel you want to create a webhook for, and then just highlight that text channel, go to edit channel, and then here under integrations, you'll see webhooks. And you can just create webhooks and it'll create like a generic one called SpideyBot for some reason. And we're just going to call that Chupacabra test just for funsies. And then that's it. It's created. You can even like add a little icon here if you want. I don't really care, so I'm not going to, but you can add one here to help keep them organized if you have more than one. You can hit save. Now it's officially created and you can copy the webhook URL. And that's basically all you need to do to create an actual webhook. To use it though, you either need to have a bot that you're currently working on that can make use of it, or a bot that somebody else has made that you can log into, or a tool to play around with them like discohook.com, or no, I think it was .org. They recently changed, so now it's discohook.app. And this is a tool that you can use to play around with embeds and sending information over the Discord webhooks. So I'm just going to clear all here at the top, clear out all this information. We'll add our webhook here. We'll just copy it in here and add it. I don't need to save that as a password though. For some reason, my web browser thinks that needs to be a saved password. And now we can do things like say, hello world, at the top of our little message, your classic message that you send when you're first starting to program things. This is a sample webhook message. Check it out. And then you can do things like, I think it accepts markdown. So you can do like, you can like capitalize this. There's some other info here that you can see in this little pop-up menu here. We don't need to mess around with that right now. And you can add all sorts of stuff. Like you can embed files if you want. Like I got some junk in my temporary Photoshop files here, like Helldiver or something or other. You can embed like weird logos from your favorite games or whatever you want. You can attach it to a profile for a name and an avatar URL. You can add a message. So we can add a standard message. You can do things like, you know, if you're doing like a mod for your favorite game and you got like a game server you're working on, you'd be like, hey, I'm just dropping in to give you guys a quick update about the new server mod. Stuff like that. You can play around with this and you can add a lot of the same types of decoration that you see, like these little embed boxes and everything. You can play around with that inside of here to your heart's content the same way. Like you can add an embed. That's what an embed is these little boxes. And then inside of this embed, you can add an author name. New stuff on the way. And then you can click like a color. It'll add like a little color to this little sidebar that like draws attention. And like the new mod that makes everything explode in glitter is nearly done for April Fool's Day. Yada yada, you kind of get the idea. The whole thing here is this is allowing you to send messages, to test messages, and to play around with it at your leisure inside of your server. And then I can just hit send and confirm that, and it'll send the message from the Chupacabra test bot just for fun. And you can get an idea of what it does. And if you want to actually go forth and use this inside of a bot that you're working on, or whatever reason you need to create a webhook. If you needed to skip the rest of this, if you just needed the webhook, congratulations. That's the first half of this. The other half is to just understand what they are by playing around with this tool. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.